main ka?
Yeah.
Ako dyan! Ako dyan! Kasya ba tayo dyan? Ano mo? Wala! Mama ko!
Kuya, pag 6-seater ang binok, tapos 7 kami. Magagana po kayo.
You close.
Close daw, close!
Hmm?
Bawal yan.
Sino ba si Angie?
주행을 시작하세요. 전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다.
20 piso.
21.
20 piso.
Anong hindi kailangan?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Ay, nasa bahay.
Sa bahay.
준비가 끝났습니다. 안전운전하세요. 회전입니다. 전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다.
Ano kung kalapit kalayo? Kala! Katapat lang ng McDo. Sige, may namat mo.
Hoy,
전방에
English
신호
speaking.
위반 단속 카메라가
It's
있습니다.
near in McDonald's. Ito na nga ano ha? It's the nearest. Alin ba?
학생이에요? 학생? You
What?
student?
Yeah.
Yes.
Not a student.
Reviewing.
Oh, you.
For the board exam.
Oh, you.
Where you from? You're from Korea?
Oh, yeah, yeah. 야, 한국 사람이에요. 한국 사람.
Sarangheyo.
사랑해요.
안녕하세요.
Ay, ano ba yan?
I love you. Sorry. I love you yun ate.
Where you study?
Top rank. Top rank.
Where's the word? Here, Manila.
Yes,
There.
there.
Where you pick us?
Yes.
You study there. Hey, what program?
Nursing.
Nursing.
Oh, you nursing. I like nursing. I like the, you know, in the hospital,
Yes.
you will be like a hero.
Yes.
Wow.
How long are you staying here?
Oh, wait, my wife is
Ay.
calling.
Wow.
Okay.
You're
오늘 본쇼에 7시?
그래요? 오늘 친구를 좀 만나려고 하는데
아, 그래. 그러면 저녁 식사로 바꿔서 그럴 것 같아.
괜찮아요?
괜찮아. 누구 만나러 이거?
아, 수진이 알죠? 수진이랑 오랜만에 같이 저녁 식사하려고요.
알아. 그러면 맛있는 거 먹고 이따가 집에서 봐.
네, 여보.
Korean sa labas.
예, 사랑해요.
Cute. 안녕하세요.
How long do you live here in the Philippines?
Oh, 1 year? 1 year?
Oh, only 1 year.
Yeah,
With your wife? With your wife?
Your wife is here in Manila? Your wife is here?
Yeah. But she will go back to
Korea.
Korea soon. Yes. We are going to expanding our business here.
What's your business?
It's a Pogo and a Sugal.
Ano?
Bongo and Sugal.
Ah?
Do you know that?
Yeah.
Do you know
Very
Alice Go?
famous.
Puppy.
Di. Alice Go. Si Alice Go. Ano niya yun eh?
Many
Yeah.
people play that one.
What's play?
Sugal.
Sugal.
Like Pogo and Sugal. Pogo and Sugal. Pogo and Sugal. Pogo and Sugal. Sugar.
Pugo at sugar.
Oh no! Sorry.
It's hard to pronounce the.
Yes, I know.
Nakita niya na.
We have a Korean friend in Pampanga. Yeah, Pugu Farm. Like, yeah,
Where?
Quail egg.
Yes.
Yeah, you quail egg, right?
Here in Manila?
Pampanga.
Pampanga.
I'm from Tarlac.
Where?
She's from Tarlac.
Near Pampanga.
Near. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Dami pa si Alex go.
How many years study the nursing?
4 years.
4 years.
Yes.
And then you will be reviewing for the board exam.
Oh, yeah. Good luck.
Thank you.
I know you can do it. Yeah.
Yes,
Fighting.
you'll be taking the exam.
Fighting.
14 years. 14 years? 14 days.
14 days.
And then we'll take the exam
Oh,
already.
good. Yeah, 그런데 이름이 뭐야? What's your name?
I'm Jasmine.
Yeah,
I am
Jasmine.
Venice.
Venice.
Sarah.
Cyril.
Aslia.
And
Harley. Mia.
yeah, 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
What's your
Yeah.
name?
Tae Park.
Day Park.
Tae Park.
Ah,
yeah.
Tay Park.
Yeah, Tae Park. My last name is Long. Long T Park.
Long Park.
In Korea, last name first.
Uy, that's not.
Do you know grasshopper?
Long T Park.
Long T Park.
In Korea, last name first.
Okay.
Si Kuya naman Tagalog yan. Marunong yata mag-Tagalog. Inilunok ko lang tayo.
Long T Park.
I think you know how to speak in Tagalog.
Ay, yeah, salamat po.
Oh, so you understand what we're saying?
I no, actually no.
Not really.
Oh, a little, kuti.
Konti lang.
Yeah, kuti lang yun. But the problem here, a lot of cars here,
Yes.
Filipino,
Very traffic here.
You should fly.
Why did you choose to live
I
here?
like here, Filipino are very friendly people.
Oh yes, that's true.
And
What about Korean people?
yeah, Korean people, some Korean people very, serious.
Yes. But it's so hot in here.
Yeah, but it's okay. I like the
Weather?
the warm one. No? With the
There are so many typhoons here.
yeah, that's the problem.
Earthquake.
Yeah, problem.
I want to go
Wala,
to
ang ganito
Korea.
lang
Yeah, soon you visit Korea. Yeah,
Yes.
Korea.
Natatawa ko sa'yo, kuya.
Guys, sabi ko kay Marley, hanggang dito lang. Nasa pauwi.
Are you from Seoul?
Yeah, Seoul. I live before in Seoul. You know Seoul?
I want to go there.
My husband is there.
You go there.
I live in Seoul before. You know Seoul?
Yes.
Sultan Kudarat. Actually in Mindanao
She's
before.
from Sultan Kudarat.
She's from Sultan Kudarat.
I'm from Cagayan, not Sultan Kudarat.
Oh yeah, I live before there in Cotabato, right?
Cotabato.
Yeah, no,
Sige.
Cotabato. I'm not sure. I think South Cotabato or isn't it? Kudara, Sultan Kudara, near there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Cotabato, Kudara, Sultan Kudara.
Very familiar.
In English, grasshopper.
What is it? Grasshopper?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's an animal.
No, it's not an
No,
animal.
it's an animal. It's an insect.
Insect.
What is that?
It's like
A grasshopper.
Research.
A green hopper.
It is hopping in the grass. That's why it's grasshopper.
Kuya, let's just speak in Tagalog. I know you know how to speak. Loko-loko ass.
yeah. Don't make it so hard for us. We've been studying at around 7 a.m.
100 years.
Please.
My brain is not functioning well anymore.
What the
I think it's gonna explode.
My brain is not functioning.
you should learn. You should
Yeah.
review.
Yeah.
You should review hard.
You review hard now. No.
We're already reviewing
Oh,
hard.
really?
board exam.
To take the board exam.
Oh, yeah. Which country you want to go?
US.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Korea.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Korea one,
Me
yeah.
too. I want to go to Korea.
Go Korea.
I have so many husbands waiting for me.
Very cold in Korea.
Very cold.
I love cold weather. Unlike
Mm.
here in the Philippines.
Oh, yeah.
It's so hot.
I love Korea.
Kamukha niya sa real pag nakabas.
Mukha niya si Gachi. Uy, nagpakubit na pala si Gachi.
Kuya, vlogger ka na kuya.
Are you vlogger?
Hmm? Togo?
Are you
Are you vlogger? There's a camera in here, oh.
No.
Hi.
Safety purpose. Safety
Where?
purpose.
Hello.
I think, napanood ko na to sa reels. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Huh? Oh, no.
Hindi ko makita ang pangalan ni kuya.
We have a community here, Korean community, and actually we are 5 Korean drivers here. Oh yeah.
It's cold in here.
Oh, we can turn the
No,
turn
it's
off.
okay.
It's okay?
It's fine. It's so static
You're
here.
not cold weather.
Nilalamig din ako.
Si kuya, tipaklong naman eh.
Sabi na eh.
Kuya, sayang naman nilolog ko mo kami. Ang galing mo mag-Korean, kuya. Pero kuya, hindi ka Koreano. Sino yung asawa mo?
Ang galing ng asawa ko, no? Kasabat, no?
Pero yung asawa niyo, kuya, to.
Yung tunay din asawa.
Prank lang din po yun. So, it's a prank.
Ito lang si kuya.
So, ito yung cameras natin.
Sabi na.
Tapos, ayun yung isa. Ka.
Uy, mga i-post mo yan ha.
Ano po patay?
Can you pinapost?
So, hihingi ako sa inyo ng consent kung papayag pa kayo o hindi.
Okay lang po.
Napaka-good vibes lang naman siya.
Okay, kuya.
Okay lang.
Kala ko nga kakanta kami dito.
Ba't yung kakanta?
Saan niya yung pinapost?
Sa YouTube muna, tapos sa Facebook Reels, tapos sa TikTok.
Oh, no.
Ano ba ka naman ko?
Ha?
Hi! Beginners na kami!
Yan. Ayan, baka may shout out. Ito, oh.
Shoutout sa pamilya ko sa Batangas! Shoutout sa family ko! Beginners na ako!
Batangas. Batangas ka?
Lahat po kami!
Lahat kayo. Akala ko taga Sultan ka.
Pero taga Cagayan po ako, taga Mindanao.
Pares tayo. Taga Mindanao din ako. Meron na kayong nakikitang ganito na nagpa-prank na talaga.
Sa mga
Facebook.
Ha?
First time.
Sorry.
Anong follow na tayo? Ayoko na
Follow niyo sa Facebook.
Ito, bibigyan ko yung sticker.
Yan! Wait, my wife is calling.
Nakinig din kayo seryoso, no?
Don Bertos,
Ito. Hindi, isa yan.
Uuwi po kaming RN this November 2025.
Ah.
Hi, shout out sa family ko na nasa Italy. I love you. Mama, wala na akong alawan.
Patay,
Shout
wala na
out sa
alawan.
jowa ko. Hoy, ang dami followers ni Kuya! Ilan? 1.5M. Hello! Follow guys, follow!
Sana makapasa kayo lang.
Thank you po sa
RN na kami.
Kuya, pagbalik.
Ha?
RN
Select
na kami.
booking namin sa inyo,
Yan.
RN. Wow, good luck po.
It's a free ride.
Din kami!
It's a free ride.
Thank you po, bye-bye! Yan. Yay!
Thank you po so much.
Welcome.
Thank you po. Ingat po kayo.
Okay, next time.
Kuya ng 10 star.
Yun, thank you.
Sa-follow ka namin.
Sa review, kayang-kaya nyo yan.
Thank you,
Salamat,
kuya.
God bless, kuya. God bless.
Bye. Bye. Kamsahamnida. Ang galing ng strategy ko ngayon. Thank you, Lord.